Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a game collection in your Epic Games library and how you can add a game to that collection. So let us guide you through this. So launch Epic Games on your device, and after that guys, navigate to your library. Make sure that you're logged in with your account, of course. And here next or below the library text, you will see that plus button. Click into it to create your first collection. So let me give it a name below, my collection, for example. And after that, simply click into create collection. And that's it. Now your collection has been created. You can navigate to it. And from here, simply start adding games to this collection, either by clicking into this button, or you can navigate to your entire library by clicking into all, click into these three dots here, navigate to add to collection and select your collection there. There you go. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.